This is a veggie peeler. It's worth maybe $3. It lives in a jar and I've never once thought about it. And this is its Amazon listing now. With a page like this, you could sell this for double, or maybe even triple. 2 phone photos taken in my kitchen, no studio, no photographer, and no designer. Let me show you how in Lovart. Hey Lovarters, welcome back to the Lovart tutorial series. This is Vivian. If you sell anything online, the detail page is where the money is made. Nobody buys it from the thumbnail only. Think about your experiences with Amazon. You only buy after scrolling that long vertical page in the bottom that walks you through everything. And if you're a seller, a good image usually costs hundreds of dollars per product for a designer. So today I'm taking the most boring thing in my apartment and giving it that Amazon treatment. And I'm gonna use the best combo out there, Claude and Lovart. Claude for the words and Lovart for the design. But before that, let me walk you through what actually goes into one of these pages, because the structure is what makes it sell, and they run in a specific order. First, the hero, product, title, and one line about why it's different. This is the only screen that you're guaranteed to get. Second, the selling points, about 3 to 5 of them, numbered, and each with a visual that kind of proves it. This is where most of the buying happens. And third, use cases. So that would be someone actually using this in a kitchen, peeling a potato, for example. And fourth, detailed close-up, so people know exactly what arrives in the box. And lastly, the specs, dimensions, materials, whatever your category needs. With these categories, your Amazon listing image is going to be pretty professional. And now, to build any of them, I need something to work from. This takes 10 seconds. I hold the peeler and take 2 photos, one from the front and one from the back. And that's it. These are only reference photos. So all that matters is that the grip texture, the blade, and the hanging hole is somewhere visible. Because the more Lovart knows about the product, the better page it builds. Who buys a peeler, what the brand sounds like, and which details are worth pointing at. All of that has to come from somewhere professional. This is where Claude comes in. It writes a copy, then turns that copy into one prompt I can paste straight into Lovart. And here's what I'm gonna tell Claude. So this is just a generic prompt that works for any type of product, not just a peeler. As you can see, it should include information about the product, the target buyer, and also brand tone. And the goal is to write one master image generation prompt that builds it in Lovart. And now let's upload the 2 photos that we just took. Let's see. Wow, okay. The master image generation prompt has been generated. I'm not even gonna read all of this through, but I already know that the prompt is so professional, way more specific than what I would write, down to all these color codes and even where all the shadows fall. This is perfect for Lovart to process. Let's select this prompt and click on copy. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's move to Lovart. This is Lovart's homepage, but let's click on New Project and make sure that it's in agent mode. And I'm just gonna first upload the 2 photos that I had and then paste the Claude prompt in. And let's wait for the output. Oh my gosh, wait. This is an actual Amazon listing. Like, I could upload this right now. This is so clean, and look at these 4 selling points. They each got their own icon. The blade cutting through the grip texture, and even this carrot picture. I love this use case for someone actually peeling a carrot over a sink and then a bowl of finished vegetables. I didn't cook anything or photograph any sort of food. My phone could never. Wow, and then look at these like macro shots at the bottom. And even with this spec list, it's formatted with really on-point icons. And this was just one simple generation with Lovart, and that took only like a minute. And yeah, I used GPT image too. Wow, I'm obsessed with this already. Only one prompt with just a $3 peeler. But now I'm curious how else this could look. Could I maybe even sell it for even more? What if, let's just ask Lovart to make 2 more that feels more premium. I can simply go into the same chat and ask, generate 2 more but of different styles that feel more premium. So simple. Let's see. Oh my gosh. These are on a completely different level. Okay, let's start with this first one. This is such a bold, modern look. It usually only exists on a poster. As you can see, the hero section fills the whole top in red and with the same huge letters and all those numbers as well. It's all consistent. 1 through 4. Same 4 selling points. But now there's a peel ribbon curling through the entire page, connecting every section, even from the apple. As we scroll down, it connects even to the image itself. That's crazy. This is like an art direction decision, not just a simple layout for any Amazon listing. This could well be above like $30, and that's 10 times the original price. Okay, now let's look at the second one. Okay, this goes the other way. All negative space and more tiny type. I feel like it's more of like a homebody or like comfy look. All these like cream texture and color scheme. And look at these use case photos. With linen prepping over a wooden counter in natural light. This is like not a peeler ad. This is like a full kitchenware brand. Oh my gosh, all these photos look like they're actually from a professional shoot. Even the macro stuff, it's all against the same background. Now, I love how this is all so consistent. This could go well beyond like $30 to like even $50, let's say. So same copy, same product, and same modules. 3 complete different price points from a single peeler. If I didn't know about this trick and saw this, the third one for example, I would pay like $30 for it. Whoever's selling that 10 times the original price, you won in life. So that's a $3 product. With Amazon listings, I would definitely click buy for. And looking back on the process, it was only Claude and Lovart, the most powerful duo that exists. Once you have the brief from Claude, just put it straight into Lovart and get something with the most premium high quality design you'll ever see. And if you watched this far but you still have not tried it in Lovart, what are you waiting for? And let me know if your product actually makes it. Contact Vivian at Lovart. And yeah, that's all for today. The best trick in the books. Thanks for watching, Lovarters. See you in the next one.